Hello everyone. You must heard about the term research, right? And probably the first thing that came to our mind when we listen this term is some kind of technical laboratory stuff or some scientific stuff. So question is, what actually is research and what is the purpose of research, how it is performed, and what is the various type of researches. Today we will learn all these research related aspects. Let's suppose your friend eats a lot of junk food and due to this he is constantly gaining unhealthy weight. Now you might be curious how junk food leads to gain in unhealthy weight, and you might thinking of finding solution for a friend problem. In this case, the things you observe, information you obtain from various sources, and of course, finding solution for a friend problem, all you do here is nothing but basically a research. So research is simply a method of finding answer to the questions. It is a systematic way to obtain data and interpretation of that data to produce final results. Various type of researches can be classified on the basis of purpose, process and outcome. On the basis of purpose, researches can be explanatory research, analytical research, descriptive research. On the basis of process, researches can be quantitative research and qualitative research. On the basis of outcome researches, it can be applied research, basic or fundamental research, or action research. Other type of research include empirical, longitudinal, and many more others. Now, let's have a look at them one by one. Now, let's discuss about exploratory research. As the name suggests, it involves study regarding exploring something new, like finding out something new. This research includes study on unfamiliar problems, or you can say new type of problems. On the other hand, descriptive research includes surveys and fact findings. It involves studies in social science, business research. This is why these are also called as ex post fact research. Basically, these are those researches in which researcher monitors the situation. He do not have control over the variables. Analytical research is used to find out facts that are readily available. For example, a manager wants to study how can the number of complaints made by customer can be reduced. To find out these, he can use analytical research study. Quantitative research, as the name suggests, involve study regarding quantity. For example, suppose you want to find out which game have 4-star rating on Play Store, while qualitative research is based on subjective assessment of attributes, motives, opinions, and desires. These type of researches are based on behavioral sciences and used when studying, for example, human behavior. Applied research involves studies that utilizes principles made by fundamental research to know the problems with best possible manner. For example, suppose you want to study how alcohol use in various forms affect humans. Then in this case, study comes under applied research. Basic or fundamental research. This research is performed to seek knowledge without any intention to apply it in practice. It is used for developing theories and principles. One of the most famous example was Sir Isaac Newton, who discovered the principle of gravitation. Action research. It basically comes under applied research and used to solve existing problems, as well as it can also used to find out immediate problems during course of study or investigation.